In a busy repair shop, paperwork only slows things down. With Shop Service Manager, creating a work order and turning it into an invoice takes just a few clicks. Let me show you how. From the left menu bar, click Work Order. In the header, to the right, in blue, click Create New Work Order. And here you have it. You have the option to choosing a new client, or from a drop-down, which we'll do today, you can pick a client. Notice that the vehicle and the client's name, it's all populated. You write down the complaint, any notes that you need to have your staff know, and one click, the work order is created. Click OK, and here's your work order with all the notes to the right hand side. Add labor items, parts and service. Each item automatically calculates, so you can always see the cost of the repair. In quantity/hours, you can add your minutes and hours, and also your shop rates. Click OK. And here you have it. Now you can start your repair. There's a timestamp, lets you know when the repair is started. And when you complete, press the complete, OK. The completion is also time-stamped. When you're done, one click, and there's your invoice. Complete with all of the information that you added. Email, one click, and the email that's entered for the client, it's sent. View the invoice. There you have it. Work order to invoice in just a few clicks.